You ready?
Yeah, go. There's a lemon head.
Okay, wait.
No, you gotta keep going.
Yeah, I gotta go in first.
You can't just pause and wait till the sourness of that one's gone. You gotta put them all in your mouth.
Nope, nope. Okay, dump in the nerds.
Is he allowed to stop
Dump in the
like
nerds.
that? Lemonade nerd.
Hurry up. The lemonade's gonna be gone.
Go,
Ah.
go, 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 go.
Start shooting them. Alright, get the more head ready.
One more. Is that a lemonade sour head?
Look what back doing.
Hurry up, put it in. Put it in. Hurry. Brian's face didn't look like that. He said it was delicious.
Ryan lies.
Ryan.
Oh my god.
Hear the crunching.
Mmm. Oh. Mmm. It's like sour here.
Yeah, this is about to have that #1 video
Ugh.
on YouTube.
It's probably only gonna have like 12 views.
Okay.
Sour's gone? Sure.
All good. Back to house.
That's all he cares about.